Good morning, students. Good morning, everyone. No response.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
ma'am.
How are you all?
Ma'am, we are fine. How are you?
I am also very good. Everybody, please put your videos on. All right.
I'm just 2 minutes.
Everybody put your videos on, including me. Okay, who is excited
Good
for Diwali? Ma'am. What is it?
Good
Ma'am,
morning,
fine and excited for Diwali. Same here. I'm also very excited for Diwali.
ma'am. I also.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. And what about your exams? Are you not excited for your exams?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are.
Excited, but half.
Half?
Half.
Half excited.
1.5. 1.5. Yes, ma'am.
Just a little excited for exams because obviously exams give no excitement. What is the excitement? The excitement is
I'm half worried and mom, I'm half excited.
all right. So everybody is ready with the French books? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Ready.
last week we did chapter 3, leçon 3.
Yes. Leçon 3.
Leçon 3 was les copains. Right?
Yes,
Friends
ma'am.
and companions. Now today let's come on to children. You all have done exercises of this chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am. We have done third chapter.
Yes, we have done. Now let's come on to the fourth chapter,
Devils.
deviner. Now what is this deviner?
Devils.
What does deviner mean?
Devils. Don't know, ma'am.
Don't know. Anybody who knows what deviner means? Deviner means, when they say deviner, they are saying us to make a guess. Deviner means to guess. So, let's read the chapter. Who is going to start reading? Can we have Punita? Yes, very good. Hamad, Suryansh, Rudra, Jasmine, Ayushi. Your videos, please. Yes, Punita, go on.
Anish. Salute Manuel. Born anniversary.
Okay, wait.
Manuel.
Wait. Anish says, Salute Manuel. That's correct. Bon anniversaire. Once again.
Born anniversary.
Bon
anniversary. Manuel. Merci beaucoup, Anish. Quoi est-ce que...
Okay, wait. Merci beaucoup, Anish. Manuel says, Merci beaucoup, Anish. Qu'est-ce que c'est? How do we say this term? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Anish?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Yes.
Anish. C'est un cadeau.
C'est un cadeau.
C'est un cadeau. Manuel, c'est un livre. Manuel, oh, c'est gentle. Elle est quoi et c'est?
Ah, c'est gentil. Who is this? Is it from Hamad's background that there is so much sound coming? Hey, mute yourself. Neha Gangwar, mute yourself. Yes. Yes, Punita. Now read. So this line is Ah, c'est gentil. Et elle, qu'est-ce que c'est? Now go on.
Okay, ma'am.
Sorry, qui est ce? It's not qu'est-ce que c'est, it's qui est ce. Yes, go on, beta.
Anish, say oh Ami, say apna diya.
All right. Now, I'm going to read the whole content. I'm going to read out. Listen to my pronunciation very carefully, and then I'll call out anyone's name and you'll have to read them. Fine? Now pay attention, and meanwhile, if you want to write the pronunciation with a pencil, you can do that. It is going to help you out. Starting from the beginning,
Okay, ma'am.
leçon 4. Leçon 4, devinez. Écoutez et regardez. Listen and see. Written with pink color. Écoutez et regardez. Anish. Salut Manuel. Bon anniversaire. Merci beaucoup, Anish. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Anish replies, c'est un cadeau. Manuel, c'est un livre. Anish, non, ça sont des chocolats. Manuel, ah, c'est gentil. Et elle, qui est ça? Anish, c'est une amie. Elle s'appelle Nadia. You want me to repeat any line, children?
Ma'am, please tell the second of Anish.
The second dialogue by Anish, c'est un cadeau.
Ma'am, second last.
Second last? No, ça sont des chocolats. Ça sont des chocolats. Children, one thing you have to, yes. Yes.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
One thing you have to keep in mind, all the consonants that come in the end of any word, we do not give them their sounds. Like for example, when he says salut, we don't call out the T sound. Then when he says ça sont des chocolats, it's D-E-S. We don't call it days. We call it day. Chocolat. We are ending it at L-A. We are not giving the T-S its sound. Clear? Consonants in the end are to be ignored. Punita, please mute yourself. Yes, they are to be ignored. Then, whenever there is a word, now for example, look at the second dialogue by Anish. Second dialogue by Anish is, the first word is say. C-E-S-T is called say. We don't call it Seth. Many students call it Seth, which is wrong. It's say. Then the second word is U-N-A. Now, whenever we have a combination like this, the first word is ending with a consonant T, right? You can see this consonant here, T. And this right after this word is a word beginning with a vowel. We carry forward the sound of the consonant along with the vowel. That is why when I read it setan. What do I read? Setan. Clear? Then in the last line, when Anish says, set un ami. What do we say? Set un ami. We don't say un. Clear? What is it? Set un ami. Elle s'appelle Nadia. Now, I hope the pronunciation is clear to you of each and every dialogue. Who will read now?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Who will read now?
Ma'am.
Who is going to read? Please, children. We have to give time to reading. Who is saying ma'am? Sky Sharma. No. Who is it? Children, first of all, please put your videos on. I can't continue the class like this with your videos off.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, can I go washroom?
Go, beta. Okay, Sky Sharma. Were you there when I read out the content? Yes. So now please unmute yourself and start reading. Let's see who can read it perfectly. Hurry up, beta. Sky Sharma has left
Ma'am,
the...
he left.
Okay. Can I have Daksh Gangwar to read?
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, of course you can.
Ma'am, Anish, salute minor born anniversary.
Very good.
Annual Merky Beersoft.
Okay, wait. Now, whenever I say, I will immediately stop you wherever anybody will make any mistake. It's merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup, Anish.
Very good. Now, do one thing, write the pronunciation with a pencil. In front of the word, just write the pronunciation. Whatever, if you want to write it in Hindi, if you want to write it in English. How will we say beaucoup? B-O-C-O-U. That is the English pronunciation, beaucoup. Then,
Beaucoup, Anish. Quest, see, quest.
okay, it's merci beaucoup, Anish. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Yes. Beaucoup is
Qu'est-ce que
pronounced as, see what I have written, I have sent in the chat box. Now, when we say qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est is pronounced as, yes, say beta.
Ma'am, Anish, c'est un cadeau. C'est un cadeau.
C'est un cadeau. C'est un cadeau. Now, children, qu'est-ce que c'est also I have typed in the chat box. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Can you all see it there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, the next line is c'est un cadeau. C'est un. C'est un cadeau. C'est un cadeau. C'est un. Don't make it ton, please. Write it in Hindi. C'est un. Ta se tarbooj. C'est un cadeau. Then he says, yes.
C'est un livre.
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 C'est un livre.
Ma'am, next is
Yes.
non-saddy chocolate.
Okay.
So,
Non, ce sont des chocolats. Sir, what is the spelling of sir? Sir,
ma'am,
sont des chocolats. Ce sont des chocolats.
Chocolates. Ma'am, it is written chocolates.
Yes,
Chocolat.
it's chocolate in French is called chocolat. No, ce sont des chocolats.
Chocolat.
Yes, very nice. Then the next one is
Des chocolats. Ah.
Say Jontil. Now, how do I write Jontil, children? Jean. Gentil.
J and J.
Maybe like this. Gentil.
J.
Jauntell. Gentil.
J.
Okay.
John T.
Say
Okay, ma'am.
gentil.
Say Jonathan. Say Jonathan.
Atel. The next one is Atel. Atel.
Say ML.
Atel. Beta Atel. Atel. Kieser. Kieser. How will we say Kieser? Kieser. Now don't call it SU. Okay, don't get confused by SU. Kieser.
K.
Yes. Sethune Army. Sethune Army. Sethune Army. There is no sound like de and te in French. We call it te, we call it de. Okay, like in English we have T sound, te sound. There is no te sound in French. So wherever you have a T in French in any word, just give the sound te to it. Then, Elle s'appelle Nadia. How will we say? Elle s'appelle Nadia. Elle s'appelle. Written? Everyone?
I have written the pronunciations.
Very nice. Alvira Afshan, have you written beta?
Writing.
Very nice. Now can you please try it? Can you read out? Beta, you are muted. Please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, which one?
The whole chapter, starting from the beginning, the whole content.
Okay.
Yes, very nice.
Non-J's use French.
Where are you, beta? Which page are you on?
Ma'am, 37.
That's 47. 47. Page number 47. We are doing chapter 4.
Ma'am, Anish, born Ruth Manuel, born anniversary.
Born anniversary. Then the next line is Mercy.
Ma'am, Mercy, Boncon, Anish, you.
Okay, wait. Hamad, can you try?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Try.
Anish, Salu Manuel, born anniversary. Sair, Manuel, Mercy, Beko,
Boku.
Anish.
Mercy Boku.
Boku.
Beta, have you written the pronunciation in front of it? Did you write it?
Ma'am.
No. Why? I am giving you each and every line's pronunciation in the chat box. Then why aren't you writing it? That is why you're reading it like this.
Ma'am, I have written. Can I read?
Yes, Neha. Try.
Anish, salute Manuel, born anniversary.
No,
Manuel,
beta. Born
Mercy
anniversary.
Anish, born anniversary. Manuel. Merci beaucoup. Anish. C'est ça, c'est.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Anish. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Very good.
C'est un cadeau.
C'est un cadeau.
C'est un cadeau. C'est un cadeau. Manuel. C'est un livre.
C'est un livre.
Anish. No. No su.
Ce
Sont des
sont.
chocolates.
Beta ce sont. I told you it's sir. Write it in Hindi. Sir se सांप.
No, ce sont des chocolates.
Chocolat. Chocolat.
Chocolat.
Very good.
Manuel. A. C'est Jontel. Est-elle qui a ses sous?
Qui est ce? Qui est ce?
Anish. C'est toi, ami.
C'est tune.
Elle s'appelle Nadia.
Very nice. Very close. Just a little more practice and it will be perfect. So, children, now when we study this content, the first line is Salut Manuel, bon anniversaire. What does bon anniversaire mean? Bon anniversaire is happy birthday.
Happy anniversary.
No, it's happy birthday. Bon anniversaire in French means happy birthday. So many a time
Okay.
you are asked this question to translate bon anniversaire, and children write happy anniversary, which is wrong. They lose out marks on it. So write it down. Bon anniversaire means happy birthday. Clear? Then merci beaucoup, Anish. What is merci beaucoup? Merci beaucoup is thanks a lot. Now Manuel says thanks when he wishes him. Manuel replies,
Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot, Anish. What is it? Now Anish is holding something in his hand. Then Manuel asks him, what is this? Manuel replies, this is a gift. C'est un cadeau. C'est un cadeau means this is a gift.
This is gift.
A gift. UN stands for a.
Okay.
C'est un cadeau. Then Manuel asks, c'est un livre? Is it a book?
This is book.
Yes.
Is it a book?
Yeah, it is a book. He says, no.
Okay, ma'am.
Ce sont, these are chocolates.
These are chocolates.
Yes. Ce sont des chocolats. Then
Chocolat.
Manuel says, ah, c'est gentil. Like how we say, wow,
Oh, so
how
sweet.
sweet. Oh, so sweet. Like that. Ah, c'est gentil. Here, now here is a full stop. Then this Manuel asks another line. Est-elle? Qui est ce? Now somebody is standing with Anish. Manuel asks, Est-elle? Qui est ce? And she, who is it? Who is it? Who is this? Anish replies, c'est une amie. Now what is amie? Amie is a friend. Now children, all of you know that I have always told you that French has got genders. Now if I talk about a friend of mine who is a masculine, I will say this is a friend. If I talk about a friend of mine who is feminine, I will say this is a friend. But in French, it is said differently. ठीक है? It is said differently. Now, what is the difference? Please see in the chat box. If I want to say a friend who is feminine gender, what will I say? Une amie. If I talk about a friend who is masculine gender, I will say an army. Have you seen in the chat box, everybody?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, when I talk about a girl, I will add E to the word army. And also the indefinite article, a, like a friend. So I have used one place, I have used a, another place I have used une. Une comes before feminine nouns. Anything that is feminine, we want to place a before it, we use ion. Anything that is masculine, we use a before it. Like for example, if I say a girl, what is a girl in French? Fille. I will say une fille. If I want to say a boy, what will I say? Un garçon. Masculine things take un before them. Feminine things take une before them. Clear? This is indefinite article. This is what? Indefinite article. I am not talking about definite. What is definite article? Le, la, le. Le, la, le is definite article. Indefinite is a, un, de. Have you written this much, children? A friend, un army, a friend masculine, an army. Write it down in your copies. Another example is une fille,
Ma'am,
a garçon. Yes.
ma'am, these things are also used in fruits.
That is because everything in French has got a gender. Anything as small as a needle to
Okay,
as
ma'am.
big as a mountain, everything is divided. Beta, like in Hindi, everything has got a gender. French mein all non-living things, sorry, in English, all non-living things are neuter gender. Table, bed, chair, pen, cycle, everything are treated as neuter gender. But in Hindi and in French, every non-living thing also has a gender. Isn't it? Like we say, मेरा phone पड़ा है, right? मेरी घड़ी रखी है. And children often ask me that, ma'am, how do we know about the gender? So that you have to learn. Don't think that the gender, like a pen, suppose a pen has masculine gender in Hindi, so in French also it will have masculine gender. No, it is not that. Everything is treated differently. We only have to learn. And you will get this kind of a question in exam that write the gender of or place correct indefinite article before these objects. So I am going to include the objects only from these two chapters. You will get nothing out of course. All the nouns that are used in these two chapters will only be in your exam. Clear? Everybody show a thumbs up if it's clear. So that means it's clear only to Hamad and Punika, nobody else. Huh? What doubt, beta? Tell me if you have any doubt. Ridik. Yes, Ridik. Ridik, beta, what doubt do you have? Ridik has left. Then let's come on to the next line. Elle s'appelle Nadia. Now, elle s'appelle. What does elle s'appelle mean? Elle s'appelle means she calls herself. She calls herself. Now, when he is introducing his friend, he is saying she is a friend. This is a friend, and her name is Nadia. Clear? Clear, children, or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, children, just a second. Suppose I ask you, give me a correct indefinite article for stilo. What is the correct indefinite article for stilo?
Stilo.
Very nice. Very nice. Stilo. Give me the correct indefinite article for stilo. 2 pens. Stilo.
Decilo. Stilo.
Decilo.
Destilo.
It's
Decilo.
de stilo. Tell the correct indefinite article for say kado. What is kado?
यूं का दो.
No, it's kado. See here also the third line of the chapter, kado. Now if I tell you to place the correct definite article before kado, what are you going to put? Which is the correct definite article before kado? What is definite article? Beta, what is definite article?
A.
Huh? Definite article is the. What is definite article in English also? It is the, letter T-H-E, the. Now what is the in French? The in French is le, la or les.
ले.
Yes.
La, la,
So
la.
when I tell you to place correct definite article before the word kado, what is it? Is
ले,
it
la.
le? Yes, it's le. Indefinite article is definite article is le before kado. Now, turn your pages, children, to page number 48. One more important thing about this chapter is they have asked two kinds of questions. One is qu'est-ce que c'est and the other one is qui est ce. Everybody write it down in your copies. Whenever we ask, we have to ask, what is this? We ask, qu'est-ce que c'est? What do we ask? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est means what is this? And qu'est-ce que c'est is asked in three cases. Firstly, for objects. Secondly, for birds and animals. And thirdly, for fruits and vegetables. Write it down. One, for objects. Second, for birds and animals. And third, for fruits and vegetables. We ask, qu'est-ce que c'est? Suppose I show you a fruit in my hand and I ask you to put up a question. What your question would be? Ma'am, qu'est-ce que c'est? The answer is c'est une mangue. C'est une mangue means this is a mango. Now I tell you to frame a question. What your question would be? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
से.
And whenever
Qu'est-ce que
we,
c'est?
yes, if I show you a baby in my hand,
Okay, ma'am.
I show you
Qu'est-ce
a
que c'est?
baby in my hand, what will you ask? You will ask, ma'am, who is it? Right? Your question would be, who is it? So what is who?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
No. Qui
Qu'est-ce que
est ce?
c'est?
Qui est ce?
Oh.
Qui est ce?
Yes. For human beings,
Qui est ce?
for
Qui
human
est ce?
beings, we use qui est ce. For
Qui est ce?
non-living things, birds
Ma'am,
and
qui est ce?
animals. Yes. For objects, birds and animals, fruits and vegetables, we use qu'est-ce que c'est. Please write down. Like for example, see on page number 48. The first question is, what is this? Qu'est-ce que c'est? The replies are, c'est une chaise, which means this is a chair. Ce sont des livres, these are books. C'est un vélo, this is a cycle. So they have used it. Punita, please mute yourself. They have used this question in three of the cases where they are talking about something feminine, they are talking about something masculine, and they are talking about something in plural. The second one, they have used qui est ce? Who is this? Now, the first reply is say Napoleon. Napoleon is what? A name. So wherever we use name, suppose I ask Hamad, who is she? For Punita, what will he say? she is Punita. He will not say he will not say she is a Punita. Why? Because we do not place any article before names. Do we place any article before names? No, we don't. So our reply would be this is Punita or she is Punita. Similarly, in French, the reply is c'est Napoleon. The second reply, if I ask Hamad about Punita, who is she? Hamad can reply, she is a girl. A girl. Now, before common nouns, we place articles. Correct? Similar, the reply is, see in the book, c'est un garçon, which means this is a boy. A stands for here, this is a boy. And the last one, ce sont des garçons. These are boys. They have placed they before it, which stands for few or some, when something is not specified, right? Indefinite article. Now, I'll read out the pink table before you children. Qui est ce and qu'est-ce que c'est? Qui est ce means who is this or who are these? For example, first example is il répare des voitures. Il est mécanicien. What does that mean? Il répare des voitures. It means he repairs cars. He is a mechanic. Il est mécanicien. He is mechanic. Then the second one, c'est mon ami. This is my friend.
Ma'am, what?
Yes?
Ma'am, what we say mechanic?
Mécanicien. On page number 48,
Okay.
mécanicien.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the second example
Mechanicien.
is c'est mon ami, which means this is my friend. Ce sont mes amis. These are my friends. Now, when we speak about many friends, what word do we put for my? MES. And when we talk about one friend, my friend, we use the word mo. Like, for example, in Hindi, let me relate this example to Hindi language. It will be easy for you to understand. I talk about one friend of mine. I will say mera dost, right? If I talk about many friends of mine, what will I say? Mere dost. Isn't it? Similar in French, we use mon ami and mes amis. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Then the second example is qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est is used for what is this and what are these. We use this question in both the cases. C'est un stylo, ce sont des stylos. Second example, c'est un oiseau, ce sont des oiseaux. What is oiseau? Oiseau is a bird. Oiseau is a bird. These are bird and this is a bird. Now, when we talk about children, these fruits and vegetables we had already done in the WhatsApp class. I told you the pronunciation of all of them. You have to learn them by heart along with their gender. Clear? Then if I talk about these numbers. Now, how are you going to get these numbers in your exam? You will get calculations. 14 plus 12 is equal to, now what is 14? 14 plus 12 egal. This is how you're going to get. Correct? Beta, unmute yourself, Punita, if you're asking me anything. So are you thorough with the numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
what is number 30? Can anybody tell me? 3030.
30.
Very good. Tront. It's Tront. What is
Tront.
number 42?